This conference will now be recorded.
Hello friends, myself Sachin. I am from BISP Solutions and I am working as a Salesforce consultant, and today I am going to discuss about Process Builder in Salesforce, how Process Builder helps to automate the business process in Salesforce. So we have one requirement. So we will discuss about that requirement, how Process Builder automate the business process. So first we look on our requirement. Look, this our requirement is this. Means if the opportunity stage is closed won and amount is greater than 5 million, then new order should be created, order status should be draft, and order start date should be today's date. So this is the requirement, and through process builder we are going to automate this business process. So first have a look, uh, what what is our requirement. I am going to my org, this. uh, yeah, actually I already created that requirement, and I am going to describe you how we are going to create that requirement. Yeah, first I am going to this sales, and I am going to our opportunity standard object, this one. Yeah, so requirement is this. Yeah, this I am going to edit. Means suppose this stage is closed or closed one, and amount is greater than 5 million. Suppose I am going to fill it 6 million in this way. So one order should be created, and that order dates should be the date of this stage closed one date. When we are going this stage as closed one, the order should be created and amount should be greater than 6 million. This, yeah, in this way. Now I am going to check order standard object, this one, orders. Yeah, so I am going to all draft order because, yeah, this one, this order is created and today's date is 16th December 2019, and that order should be our requirement is that order status should be draft, so that we also, in this way, this order is getting created. Now I'm going to show you how I created this, how I automate this business process. I automate this business process through process builder. So I'm going to work on process builder. So now I'm going to show you how we are navigating towards process builder. Yeah, in quick find text box, type process builder. In this way, process builder. When I'm going to click link, yeah, I created this process builder demo. When I'm going to click on this link, yeah, in this way, this canvas shows the graphical representation of our business process steps. So in this, I select here, I this square object. When I'm going to click on this, I have to select object. So I selected opportunity. So when a record is created or edited in opportunity, so for that I select this object opportunity. Here I select the criteria. The criteria name is stage is equal to closed one. Criteria for execute actions, I select the radio buttons, conditions are met. Yeah, and field opportunity stage name, stage is closed one equals to pick list, and opportunities, when opportunity is greater than 5 million, then this one, this is the criteria. And in immediate action, yeah, create a record, uh, action name is create order record, or in order is standard object I am going to create a record in which order is start date. Here I use the type formula and that will be today's date. Status should be pick list, and account ID it will be opportunity dot account ID. Yeah, in this way I created. And after this process builder is created, and here when I going to create now, right now it is deactivated, but I already activate this process builder. So once we activate this process builder, it will start working, and when we are going to click on this view all process, it will show the list of our list of process builder in this way. So this was our requirement, and in this way we achieve our requirement with the help of process builder. So I hope you liked the video, and if you have any more queries about the process builder, and if you need any support about Salesforce, so please drop us mail on this email ID support at bisptrainings.com. And moreover, we are available on this numbers also. This is our mobile number, so please feel free to contact us. So this was all about process builder. Thank you for your timing. Bye bye.